Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Oh snap! My man's about to do a part 2. Y'all remember when I did a reaction to this video when he was combing that jig and I said to do a part 2 where he actually laid it down? Oh man. Yo, that's what I'm telling y'all, man. Washing your hair is the best way to get waves. It's the best way to lay down your curl. Look at that sun, bro. That sun is hitting on them waves, bro. The lather nice and everything. He got the detailing shower brush, his junk silky, bro. That's nice right there, man. You got it, bro. You got it. And I hope you show the results, because I really want to see the results, man. Please don't say part 2. Please don't say part 2. If you don't say part 2, I'm gonna give you a follow, man. If you show me the results in part 1, I'm gonna give you a follow. Oh snap! Yo, I messed. Okay. What you doing? You scrambling your hair? That's what's up. You about to try to get waves or something, or you just scramble washing? Bro, you ain't even show the process. How do I know that's not a wig on your head, bruh? Man, this video's still going though. I wonder what you about to do next. He just showing his wig off, huh? He just showing his wig off, huh? Rock Lee. See, he got the Rock Lee haircut. That's why I said that. And his hair's shiny too. Bruh. Curls to waves in 60 seconds. I don't know. He might have a chance. We'll see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Why you still got your AirPods in though, bro? You gonna get electrocutified. That's how you say it, right? Electrocutified. Electrification-fied. If you get that junk wet. Okay, he took him out. You need more lather than that, bro. You definitely need a lot more than that. Like a lot more. Alright? If you want your hair to lay down the way you want. It's coming in. Add more shampoo, bro. It's gonna help. Trust me. Trust me. Got a little mushroom top. Okay. Got a little mushroom top going on. Is that silk or cotton? It look like a little silky. Alright, alright. Let me see the results, boy. Let me see the results. I'm looking at the vid. It's about to end. Oh, he showed it. They fire. They in. Alright, so how to get waves in 10 steps? Alright. Let's see. Step 1, rinse hair. Rinse. Apply shampoo, any kind. Okay. You're just doing the washing style. You're not getting waves. You're washing your waves. Okay. Apply shampoo. What's next? Okay, great lather. How you get your lather to be that great on the first wash? Rinse shampoo out. Okay, apply more shampoo to get the dirt out. I mean, the dirt was supposed to be taken out by the first wash, not the second wash. The second wash, your hair's already clean. So rinse the shampoo out and apply conditioner. Bro, you ain't even brushed. You ain't even brushed your hair. How you gonna get waves like that, bro? Rinse out the... You gonna add shampoo and after you done put the conditioner? What's the point? What's the point? I ain't never seen nobody use alkaline water to wash their waves, man. That's crazy. Alright, let's get it. Comb your hair out. Put the shampoo on, you feel me? First things first, I want to see great lather. Just like that. Brush that joint in. What? Bro, come on. Dude, this is horrible. I wanted to see the brush. But if you give me an unrag, that'll make up for it. Okay. That's decent, man. That's decent. Oh, he gonna do the moisturizing too. I don't want to see all that. Okay. Put that shampoo on. Get that cleanse. You feel me? The first wash is always to clean out the products. You feel me? Add some more shit. Okay. 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 It's going good so far. Okay, get your detangling shower brush. That mirror look I ain't never seen no mirror like that, but hey, I ain't gonna judge you. Alright, great lather, Okay, you making me happy, man. You making me happy. You showing me everything I wanna see, man. Okay, the lather gone now. The lather gone now, but I see them waves come. Oh man, yo. This dude know what he doing. Teach me. I'm trying to get to your level. Wow. It's almost done though. You still inside the do-rag, bro. Yo. Come on, no part. You want to sleep without a do-rag, huh? Okay, let's get to work. Bring them waves back. Let me see. Okay, put the shampoo on. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. There you go. Brush that joint in. Get that lather. Okay. Okay. The lather gone. Oh, it's coming back. Oh, yeah, that joint coming back. Let me fix that. Woo! Look at that lather. Oh, my G's. I love lather, man. Lather just like telling me doing something good, man. If you don't see the lather, you ain't doing nothing, man. And yeah, y'all need to take a shower when you rinsing your hair so you could wash that junk out thoroughly. Oh, my G's. No product, nothing. That's 1 week ago. I went from waves to curls. Bro, I told you curls is trash, man. See, now he missed the waves. It's gone now. It's gone now. You don't got waves no more. You don't got waves no more. Yo, he just wet his floor, man. Dropping all that water. Oh, heck, how did he get that back? He doing witchcraft or something. Stop playing. Curls. Oh, you dancing. I'm glad you think this is a game, bro. How long you gonna take to wet your hair, man? Hurry up. Get shampoo. Okay. Alright, so far so good. Make sure that lather all the way in there. Okay. I hope you don't tie your hair with that towel around your neck. I hope you got a do-rag, like a real do-rag. I love that lather, man. You know, props on that lather. I said lather. Props on that lather. Okay. Looks like cotton, but alright, we'll do. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, nah, that's silk. That's silk. Okay. Uh-huh. Yo, he did pretty good. He did pretty good. He did pretty freaking good. Yo. Alright, y'all, so we all know this is the quickest way to get waves. Why? Because waves are just curls laid down. Slow motion this side. Waves are just curls laid down. You feel me? Alright, you feel me? Put that shampoo in. And the best way to lay your curls down is to do a wash and style. Alright? Your hair is at its most softest state when it's wet. So when it's wet, you can manipulate it into whatever position you want. You feel me? That's why washing styles help with the process of getting waves a lot quicker. So you feel me? Brush that joint in. You feel me? After you finish brushing the shampoo in, put the do-rag on your head and then rinse it out to let it dry. You're taking too long. Alright, now rinse it out, right? Once you rinse it out, you let your hair dry for at least 3 to 4 hours, or you could do that. I don't like to do that. Or you can go to sleep. Alright, when you wake up, it should be laid in position and the curls should turn to wig. This is just perfect right here, man. At the end of your washing styles, don't look like this. Keep brushing. Because that's ultimate lay right there. That's what you want to see after a washing style before you put that do-rag on. How to wash your waves. Alright, let me see what you got. You double compressing for what? For what? You're not even wolfing. Giving yourself a headache for what, bro? Apply conditioner. I ain't even see no lather when you put the shampoo in. Leaving what the what? I ain't liking for part 2. How to get waves. Alright, this dude about to teach me and y'all how to get waves. A brush, okay. A shampoo for what? To get waves?
That's all you need.
What?
So first, what you want to do is
wait. How to get waves or how to wash your waves? Because that's two different things.
Get it all wet, nice and wet. Then you want to put
alright, man, forget it.
Shampoo in there.
What in the world is that? Look like a shotgun pointing at you.
Stretch it in, get the dirt out.
What the heck?
Okay, then you're gonna start first.
Where's your mirror? You need a handheld mirror to see what you're doing. You breaking the wave law right there, man. You about to have mad forks.
Then
What type of do-rag is that? What in the...
Get it right. Pack down.
That's not how you put your do-rag on, bro.
You know what you want to do?
Type of string you... Yo, alright, man.
Wash your hair out with the do-rag on. Okay.
Bro, that just still dripping.
All you gotta do is
use the towel with the freaking... Alright, forget it. Let's keep going.
Take your do-rag off. And
take it off. Ain't nothing. Try to do waves with all that. I tell you ain't coming in the wave game with all that. Not with all that, you ain't coming in the wave game. That's too much. Alright, so look, right? You don't use your hands. You gotta use the brush. There you go. Now brush till that just start lathering like crazy. That's how you get the perfect lay. You brushing with the do-rag? How many do-rags you gonna put on? From braids to waves. This one looks even better than the first one I did. Cause them braids look professionally done. My God, Sly Huncho. We be working for like 45,000 weeks. Y'all really think he gonna get waves? Y'all think he really gonna get waves? Y'all think he gonna get it back? Let me know in the comments if y'all think he gonna get it back. Cause I don't think he gonna get that jump back. Okay, he got too much hair, man. Like, that's too much. Look, that's just like a mushroom top, yo. Like a freaking, I don't know, like you know, like when the bombs explode, they make that big old mushroom. I ain't seen nothing, man. He wasted his time.